Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna be making slime. This is what we're gonna be making today. Beautiful. So let me show you guys what it's really about. This is my slime. Guys, if you don't think I know about slime, I do. It's just that I love it so much I'll make it a lot. That's the slime. So the things you will be needing to make this slime is glue, food coloring, that's an option. You can make white basic slime. Tide is gonna make it a color because it's blue. A bowl and a mixing tool. I'm using a pencil. They'll judge. But let's start this video. So I'm gonna put this up here. You guys are gonna see what I'm gonna do. So my bowl, I'm adding my glue first. This glue, just regular glue. If you guys want to thicken it up, you can add water. Let me do that real quick. I want to add water, but let me go get water. You guys can come with me. So I'm gonna go get water. So I have a water bottle in here. This is my cat, just saying hi. Say hi. Say hi. That's my cat. Love him. Fun. And then I have my black cat, but I don't know what she is. But I use water. So it's not up here. But let me go and make slime. Not gonna close. But the other one is water. So I'm gonna thicken this up. And guys, opening the water. You don't want to add too much. So let me just mix this up with the water. I think this is gonna turn into a jiggly slime. Probably is. I think I added a little too much water for basic slime, but okay, this is gonna be jiggly slime, I guess. It depends if it works. So after you're done really mixing the water real good, you want to add your food coloring. Added some of the color, and then it's like art. You act like you're an artist. Like, do you ever do that? Like, I'm an artist. But let me mix it up. Aw, it's too dark. Oh, it's lighter. Okay. It's like an ocean color. Now I'm adding some Tide. Thing is, you want to add a little at a time. So mix. It's so sticky. The thing is, I love jiggly slime too because it's like so jiggly. Not ready. Guys, let's go upstairs and get some Tide. I ran out. So I'm going to get my tie. Hello. So I'm going to get my tie. I'm upstairs. My house is beautiful, guys. But my laundry room. I have to get my tide, guys. I clean it 2 times a day. Look at this. Or I think that's enough. That's definitely enough for slime. So I'm using some Tide, and then I'm going to add it to the bowl. I think I should have been prepared before anything. Guys, so I'm going to, the thing is it's so warm. It's always, the thing I hate about this weather in my country, my state, it's that it's like, in Massachusetts, and I live in Lowell, so, in Lowell,
Are we ready?
right, we, what is it called? We always, it's always hot, cold, at random times. Like the winter time is cold, and the summertime is hot. Get off! Yes. Yes. Guys, hold on. Get out. I'm gonna find you. Get out.
No, I don't think you caught it. No.
Guys, now my brother's being annoying.
Out?
Yes, get out. My brother's being annoying. He's going in the closet. This slime's so sticky. Like super, super sticky. I'm sorry about that loud noise machine thing that just happened. So sorry. My brother's being annoying. Because that's his last name, annoying.
Mom. Mama.
This slime is turning out so beautiful. Okay, so this is a slime now. Doesn't look so stretchy. I feel like if I was you too, I would. If I was you guys, I would be crying to touch this slime. Okay, guys, so this is the slime. I'm surprised it didn't turn jiggly. Kind of is, but this is the slime. I think I should make it a little darker.
This girl has Jake Paul merch.
What?
What?
Oh, okay, so making it a little darker. I mean, not a little, a lot darker. My hands are going to be dyed after this, of course. I just added a little bit of some coloring to make it a little better. Now this is the slime. Okay, let me put it back up here. Just show you it. Flaky. Super stretchy. Let me put it back here. This one's just super stretchy. Super stretchy. So, I have to say bye to you guys now. But you're gonna see a video coming up soon. I think that's gonna be tomorrow. I'm gonna try doing videos daily. But then I have Nathan's channel, our other channel. That's like a vlogging. We do everything else like a YouTuber does. Guys, in the comments below, put your favorite YouTuber. Mine has to be Ace Family or FaZe Rug. Ace Family, so cute. Loving Family. FaZe Rug. FaZe Rug's like best. But then Ace Family's the best too. I get so scared because I keep getting this everywhere. But I guess that's it. This is how you make slime. And bye guys. Peace.